Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to install a sunshade on your JL Jeep. Now this is JLU, so it should be the same for the front. The back will be different because we have three rows of seating. Yes, 3 rows, custom made. We got videos about that. Check description and check out the playlist for our Jeep if you guys want to see some more about our progress on Miss Dorothy here. Now let's roll that intro and cut to the chase. Voila! If you guys want to see how to remove the top and everything along with that and the doors, we do have videos. I'll drop them in the comments down below, right there in the comments. I'll put them in the not comments, I always say comments, but really I mean the description. Check the description. I love the description, it helps out a ton. But I'll show you exactly how to use this cool lift, how to take off your freedom panels, how to take off your doors, and well, that's next. So let's cut to a clip of that. And I do apologize, my camera fell over, so you guys got a beautiful view of these lovely Kansas clouds. Thank you, Jesus. I threw in some clips, some short clips of us removing the top, and now we're working on getting the doors off. The next thing, which we could do now, because the top is free, the back is free, and right here we have our brand new sunshade with instructions. Bungees do go in specific places, so that'll be helpful. I will put a link to this specific one in the description below. It is pink. We're going with blue and pink accents. This is the Arctic Mama's ride, so it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be so cool. Let's get to it. Alright, so I've got everything separated out. This is our front screen, which, let's see if I can get it all. There we go. That's going to be the front because it bends backwards. The other one is straight, both sides, just like the picture shows there. And I've got all of these bungees separated out. So we've got 4A, 2B, 4C, 4D down there, and then 10 of the E's. And it looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 C's going in the front, so these will be on the very front, and then we got 3 E's on each side, and it looks like we're going to use all 4 A's to go around this big middle piece. So around that piece right there, E and C. I'm going to set you guys somewhere potentially and get this done. Alright, so these middle 2 are pretty difficult, so we've undone everything. So start here. This is where you should start, is right in the middle 2. I went over to where it's easier right here on this mount to push the string through. Now I'm going to have Riley pull it to his side, and he's going to go through this middle hoop, not that one, the middle one that's literally in the middle. Pull it towards you, and now I got mine down. Keep going as far as you need. That might be it. Hold on. We're going to stick another hoop just to keep it from going through. Right there, just like that, and pull it as far as you need to, because then I can pull this one back out. That should make it easy. After many tries and errors, we have a sleeping Lily in the Jeep, enjoying the beautiful sunshade. So we had the back one on the front and the front one on the back. So yeah, this is how it actually goes. This is your windshield, and then the square goes there, then your angled, your 45, 90 was what I was thinking, and then your 45 is back here. And then in the passenger department, the cutout is for the speakers, and then the back is straight. So once we got that figured out, then our problems were solved. It was super easy. We were able to get these fed through all the way, up there, here, and there. And they do shut with those bungees there. I'm sure that you could put the ball like on this side too, but I didn't want to have the conflict with the roof. I don't even know if that'd be a thing with like the freedom panels up here. We weren't willing to try it, but that looks so good. So if you guys enjoyed this video or if it helped you out, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe. We will catch you in another video, and check that description down below for a link to these specific ones. Have a great day. God bless y'all.